Hello friends, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented classes right from the scratch, right from the basics. We have been into training services for more than 18 years. We assure you 100% practical, scenario-based, job-oriented training sessions. And this particular Azure Data Engineering course, one of the trending courses in the market right now, to boost our profile, to reshape our resume. This particular course very helpful for our job work, daily job work. Either you go for on-demand videos or live training, it is the same curriculum and same example, same assignment, concept-wise assignments and concept-wise FAQs throughout our Azure Data Engineering course, box number 5. What does this box 5 includes? The Azure Data Engineering course includes Data Factory, Data Lake, Databricks, Python, Synapse, security activities, key vaults, and big data, RBAC, role-based access control. You may add Power BI to your skill set, front-end, reporting, analytics. And remember, box 1, SQL Server TSQL basics and TSQL queries, those are very much required to step into either box 5 or 6 and even 7 fabrics. You're already aware of SQL Server basics. Happy, you continue straight with box 5 and or 6, whichever you're opting for. If someone is new or someone wanted to have a retake, a refresher, then we are there. Contact us, get the refresher for SQL Server basics and TSQL queries, and then step into Azure Data Engineering, either in sequence or in parallel. And this particular diagram you see on the screen is having bit more details on what we actually learn in our 7 weeks Azure Data Engineering course. In this entire 7 weeks course, we'll be understanding Data Factory and Synapse concepts, right from Azure fundamentals to Active Directory, alerts, notifications, SQL pool, and something called dedicated SQL pool, serverless pool, Apache Spark pools, etc. Pipelines, optimization, security, and so on. Module 2 is more about data lakes, stream analytics, Internet of Things, IoT hubs, and event hubs. Module 3 is into Databricks, Spark SQL, PySpark, Python, Spark, and Scala activities. Live sessions for total of 7 weeks, Monday to Friday, or weekends, 9 weekends. We have regular and weekend schedules. And additional 2 more weeks you need to invest for your project work, part of our course, for our resume. Even on-demand video training, the curriculum is same, the content will be same, with concept-wise assignments, concept-wise handouts, carefully curated examples, step by step. We have migrations, and we have a good amount of transformations, monitoring, security, optimizations, and we have end-to-end project work, part of our classes. And additionally, I will be helping you for your resume, certifications, either DP203 certification or DP500 certification, whichever you plan for our resume. The detailed content already posted on our website. In case if you have time, I request you to refer to our website sqlschool.com for the individual module course content and the real-time project plan details, like what we actually do over there. With this information, I repeat once again, you may plan for core data engineering or SQL plus data engineering or SQL plus data engineering plus Power BI, either of them, or register for a live demo class and understand more about our lengthy course curriculum. You may opt for core data engineer or SQL plus data engineer or SQL data engineer and Power BI. This is the actual course duration plus 2 to 3 weeks for your project work plus add on. For more details, you can reach me directly on my WhatsApp number or reach our team and enroll for a couple of demo classes to understand more about the course, and we'll take it from there. See you soon in our actual classes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you.